Alright, in this video we're going to talk about the multiple pivot line. Now Alan Andrews, if you don't know who Alan Andrews is, he's an MIT professor, I think, and he studied two people, namely Isaac Newton, and the other one named Robert Babson, and he came up with this quite a pretty good trading strategy actually. And what he's done, he actually gave a trend line a name called the multi-pivot line, and he believed that this particular line would show you future support levels. Okay, and the way you draw your multi-pivot line is basically how it sounds. You connect a line that would bisect or meet up with as many pivot highs and pivot lows as possible. Alright, so what you can mean here, like here's another pivot here, here's a pivot, here's a pivot, here's a pivot, here's a pivot, and maybe here's a pivot. So when we draw a line through there, we get that kind of area, right? And what happens is basically this pivot line is going to be revisited all the time, well, majority of the time at least. And you can see, like, you know, we've had like a bump and run here, and then the market's come back and it's hit it and respected it. It's gone back up, bump and run, come back down, hit it, and this time it says no thank you, we've had enough, we're going to go reverse and go the other way. So just using these points, okay, is actually gave a future prediction of support. Okay, so that's basically how the Alan Andrews was basically trying to let you know how that line was used, and then he's going to show you how he uses this line to make it even more, you know, to show you other examples how he uses that multi-pivot line, which he basically gives it another name. Alright, so I'll see you very soon in the next video, and see you in a bit. Bye for now.